Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Coinbase to your bank account. First, log into your Coinbase account and find the settings. Next, select Payment Methods and then Add a Payment Method. You will then choose Bank Account as your preferred option. It is crucial that the name on your bank account precisely matches the name on your Coinbase profile to avoid any delays. You have two primary ways to link your account. The quickest method is using Plaid for instant verification, where you securely log into your online banking through their interface. Plaid acts as a trusted third party, ensuring your bank login details are never directly shared with Coinbase. If instant linking isn't an option, you can manually enter your bank account and routing numbers. This entire process is typically very fast, often completed in just a few minutes. After linking, Coinbase will send two small test deposits to your bank account to verify ownership. These micro deposits typically appear in your online banking within 1 to 3 business days. Once you see them, log back into Coinbase and accurately enter both small amounts. This final step confirms your access to the bank account, allowing you to make deposits and withdrawals smoothly. Sometimes you might encounter issues. Always ensure your online banking login credentials are current. If instant verification fails, temporarily disabling two-step verification on your bank account might help. For persistent problems, reach out to Coinbase support for assistance. Remember to be vigilant against phishing. Coinbase will never ask for your login details or seed phrase. Always log in directly to your account to check payment methods.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.